Model, 2016 Toyota Proace L1H1 needs clutch bargain 1 owner. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 202,847. MOT, the 1st of January 2025. Engine, 1997 cc 2.0128 HP. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Engine and gearbox are perfect, just needs the clutch replacing, very cheap repair, then you'll have a great van. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.